Did you know that many beginners are making $500 to $5,000 per month using digital marketing, even without a degree or big investment? In this video, I'll show you how beginners are making money with digital marketing and how you can start today. Welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we share online business ideas, side hustles, and ways to make money online. If you want to learn how to build income online, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. First, let's understand what digital marketing actually is. Digital marketing simply means promoting products or services online using the internet. Instead of traditional advertising like TV or newspapers, businesses use platforms like social media, Google, YouTube, websites, email marketing. And the best part is, you can earn money by helping businesses grow online. One of the easiest ways beginners start making money with digital marketing is freelancing. You can offer services like social media management, SEO services, content writing, paid ads, management. Email marketing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow beginners to find clients worldwide. Many freelancers start with small projects and eventually earn $1,000 or more per month. Another popular way to earn money with digital marketing is affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. You can promote products through TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, blogs. For example, many people are making money through TikTok Shop affiliate programs by posting short product videos. Businesses need someone to manage their social media accounts. This includes posting content, replying to comments, growing followers, running promotions. Many small businesses are willing to pay $300 to $1,000 per month for social media management.